The old truck here. I did take a little truck door, just throwing a dip, the old shit horn. Fuck! Goddamn window broke. Fucking cracked windshield, drum windshield. Fucking assholes. First, get out, show them how loud it is. Stand right there by the thing. Don't want to make it too loud. Old neighbors might come here.
There's the back of the bitch.
Yeah.
There's the truck right there.
This right here.
There's a full truck. What? Got some ties back here. Got the whole short motherfucker right there. Come on, put the light up.
There's no motor.
See all that, John?
Alright, watch out. You see this right here? This is right here. This deflects the fucking haters, you know? Fuck them.
Yeah, fuck 'em.
You don't like to shout out, kiss my ass. Dude, mate, burn out to this motherfucker. Gave her a speaker, we're gonna take a little ride, motherfucker.
Where? Speaker don't work, remember?
You just wanna leave it in there then.
Leave it in the truck.
Ain't coming back up here.
You ain't? Fuck we gonna do?
You gotta do burnout?
Nah.
Yeah.
Fuck we gonna do with this fucking phone?
Keep it on. Get to the other side.
Oh god damn it. Hey, take the phone.
Alright, bro. I know. Alright, about to go up here and hit this dirt bike shit here. Take a little ride down to the road and do a fucking burnout. Got the old tire. It's already fucked up. Doing too many fucking burnouts, man. There's the old fucking retard right there. See that motherfucker?
I just started that bitch.
See that son of a bitch right there?
Fuck you, nigga.
That's the YouTuber right there, boys.
I just fucking started the truck up. I'm not turning it off though. Come on, this video's gonna be too fucking long.
So you can post it.
Hold on my fucking foot. Hey, hold this. I was like, I just.
Keep it. That's the start. Fucking stalled it.
See that one? Where? Do it again. Cut the video?
Fuck no, don't cut the video.
It's gonna be too long.
How long is it?
Fucking 5:51.
Get the fuck on, shut the fuck up. You keep jumping on like that, I'm gonna kick your ass.
Oh.
Hey, hop off, I gotta get my tires wet.
There you go, vote! My ass!
There it is, that concludes the video. Well, there's our fish hole.
That's gonna be it.
That's gonna be it, motherfuckers. There's my dirt bike. It's actually for sale if you want to buy it. Hit me up, my name's Reese. On Facebook, Reese Q. R-E-C-E-G-H.
Whoa.
Looks pretty damn nice. Cleaned up.
Okay, peace out, nigga. Cornbread.
Watermelon!